go to SM.
Why?
I'm so thirsty. Yup, yup, yup. Goodbye. Daddy, I'm so thirsty.
What we gonna do?
Into SM. Daddy,
SM?
I'm so thirsty. Mia, pawis na ako.
Pag thirsty ka, pawis ka?
Pagod na ako. Oh, na-open yung ilaw.
Dapat inaway dining nila ito eh. Tawagan.
Upo ka lang.
What? I'm opening ilaw, look.